Okay, somehow I'm the only one getting shot here, even though I got a teammate. Woo! Woo!
Double kill.
What up guys, it's me Jay, aka I Heart Because I Heart You, and today we're back on Splitegate. Now this time we're not playing ranks, but we are doing a challenge. I wanted to rank up my pistols, so today we're going to be doing the pistol only challenge. That's right, the pistol only challenge. Now I have 2 more levels until I level out this pistol, and then I'll probably switch to another one, but that's what we're going to be doing today. Again, the pistol only challenge is Splitegate. Let's go.
Team deathmatch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, you got this. Score the most kills to win the match. You're ahead now. Keep up the pace.
Their team's kind of looking a little clueless, though.
Power weapon inbound.
Oh, somebody up here. Reload, reload, reload. Ah.
New power weapon in the arena.
Now, the reason I wanted to do this was not just to rank up my weapons instead here. Somehow I get a kill out of that. But was to prove that sometimes the pistols are the most OP underrated weapon in general of like any game. Oh.
Good kill.
They're below us. Somebody
inbound. Payback.
Halfway to the score threshold.
above us again.
New power weapon in the arena.
Little lag there. Little lag. Okay, somehow I'm the only one getting shot here, even though I got a teammate. Woo! Woo!
Double kill.
Oh no, our player is AFK. He's right here. No, he just reloaded. I think he just keeps going in and out, like. Okay, bro.
Kills to go.
This guy is above us. I just can't get up there this way, and the other way is gonna get me killed. So it's like. Woo!
Victorious.
Brilliant performance, mate. That's how you do it. Nice work.
I mean, 16 kills. Not the worst. Alright, last round I ended up using Meriden, however you pronounce that. This round I'm going to be using Arios, and I'm going to use the burst pistol juke. Switching it up. I don't think I have any attachment for this gun. Yep, I'm on level 1 out of 7 for this pistol. So we'll see how this goes. We're able to use the ability, which is going extra fast, extra speed. Last ability I had being able to mark people, so maybe different abilities will be helping. I got 16 kills last time, so let's see how many kills I can get with this pistol this game. Dun, 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 dun. That guy was in my game last game, wasn't he? That guy.
Time for team deathmatch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's bring home the victory.
Alright, in my opinion,
Bring home
damn,
the
it's
win.
dead already. That's my teammate, and I'm lagging like fuck. Oh, okay. I was gonna say something. Oh wow, wow, this lag is. Like, how am I meant to play? I can't even defend myself with this lag, bro.
New power weapon in the arena.
Nice one.
Avenger. Payback.
Alright, the lag's not as bad. This reload time for this gun is way slower than the other one. So I gotta remember that. You have less bullets as well. Like, I'm already out of bullets. Like, I've got maybe 2 more fights and I'm gonna be out of bullets. And just 1 more and I'll be out. It might be a strat to just die on purpose because you can't pick up ammo in this game. I didn't die on purpose there. I was actually trying to kill him, but it is what it is. Cause yeah, like look, I have what, 50-ish bullets. Where? Hello?
Payback.
Your opponent is halfway to the scoring threshold.
Oh yeah, we're down a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I have half of our team's kills. Like, and y'all aren't using pistols. What are y'all doing?
Double kill. Payback. Close call.
I have 15 bullets, so there's not much I can do here. Whoa. Oh, they're all 3 there. Of course they are. Oh my god. Did we kill each other? We killed each other.
You lost.
Top
I mean,
shake it off and try again.
with a pistol, I had the most kills, so I don't know what y'all are doing. Especially somebody with 8 kills is wild. Alright, this is gonna be the last round. Last game I got 19 kills with that gun. This time I'm gonna be using the Snare Burst pistol in the Saberask skin gun selection. Last game I got 19 kills, which is the top. So hopefully this game I can get more than 19 kills.
Team deathmatch starts now. 5, 4,
4,
3, 2,
2.
1.
This is what we trained for. Get the most kills and bring home the win.
Can't remember how this pistol actually shoots, so
We just pulled ahead. Don't stop now. They're in the lead. Let's get it back.
Power
I
weapon
should have
inbound.
that kill and just. Oh
Shake
god,
it
bro.
off. Come back stronger.
This might be the hardest round. Alright, you know what? I'm still gonna be doing a pistol, but I gotta switch pistols. That pistol is just not it. It's not it. This team is too sweaty to be using pistols on, so I've gotta use the best pistol I feel like I have. It's either this one or the other one. 'Cause the other one I got 19 kills on, but my team was also trash.
Payback. Go back.
Okay.
They're halfway there.
Close call.
Yeah, I mean, I got 3 kills, and compared to my teammates, that's not even too bad. Like, we're literally about to just get dominated. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, we lost
You
anyway.
lost.
Hey, keep your head up. Next time, it's our turn.
Yeah, that was the worst round. I got 3 kills, man.